Hi everyone, I'm Mary Jo Cranmore, host of Pioneer Magazine, your guide to living and working in Western Massachusetts. This week, taking advantage of the current economy. There's a lot of talk about saving money these days. In fact, there's one place that's giving advice on how to save money by reducing bank fees. Can you believe it's a bank? Oh, thanks.
Yep, that's right. You guessed it. It's a local bank. It's Hampden Bank, a local community bank with deep roots in growing local businesses and local families. When they talk about brightening your day, they mean business.
I'm in the mode right now of looking at my bills every time I pay my telephone bill, my electric bill, my cable bill every month, saying, okay, well, how can I get this for less money?
Tom Burton, president of Hampden Bank, isn't just asking these questions of himself. He's encouraging all his customers and everyone who wants to save a little money to ask those questions for themselves, especially of his team at Hampden Bank. The reason? In the past year, bank fees at many large national and multinational banks have leapt up to record highs. These higher rates are largely due to the amount of bad debts on the books for a bank. For example, you could pay as much as $35 to $50 for an overdraft charge, a fee that has nearly doubled in the past 2 years on average. At Hampden Bank, they haven't raised their fees at all, and in fact, they want to help you save some money by limiting just these sorts of charges.
Make certain that you can either link your checking account with a line of credit or maybe link it with a savings account to avoid overdraft fees. So there are a variety of things to do, and it pays to ask questions. People should always keep in mind they should understand the fees that they're paying. And most accounts today come with some sort of fees associated with them at a lot of banks. Certainly not at ours, but certainly at some banks they do. And people should be very aware and ask questions on those fees.
And how about ATM fees and charges? In the past year, rates have skyrocketed. Right now, you could pay an average of $4 for the privilege of taking money out of an ATM not connected to your bank.
We're part of the SUM network, and with the SUM network, our customers have access not just to our ATMs, but to almost 3,000 ATMs throughout the area. So it's a very effective way to avoid ATM charges. Quite honestly, everyone should also have a debit card. And personally, I wasn't a big believer in it when we first came out with them about 10 or 12 years ago. But today, you use your debit card at the retailer. You need some extra cash and you're out of the area. You want to avoid ATM fees, get some extra cash from the retailer. It's free.
Basics like free checking are a staple of the banking industry, but not all free checking accounts are created equal. Take the Bright Choice account at Hampden. They focus on value, not just free.
If there's a $5 service fee per month, well, that's $60 a year. And certainly we could all rather spend that $60 on ourselves than give it to the banks. The ability to have a checking account and also receive discounts at major retailers has been, I think, very helpful to people.
On a larger scale, home ownership still does have its tremendous advantages. In fact, it's a good way to try and get rid of credit card debt altogether.
We have a very competitive home equity product that's a fixed rate. It amortizes over a 10 and 15-year period. Now it's a great product for customers that may want to consolidate some credit card debt. Let's say they're planning for retirement. They want to make certain that their mortgage is paid off by the time they retire. It's a great time to get into this low rate, fixed term, and have that debt paid off at a specific period of time. It's also very good to create some responsibility because you're making that payment every month. You know when it starts and you know when it's going to end. It's either a 10-year period or a 15-year period. And the rates are very competitive and very low now, and people should really take advantage of that.
Things aren't all negative when it comes to new advances in the banking world. Technology has also made it easier for bank customers to watch their pennies. And even though it's a small community bank, Hampden Bank is riding that wave.
Today we have so many ways of checking your balance. I mean, we have telephone banking. People can call an automated system to find out what their balances are. But they can also go on the internet. You can check to see what your balance is, what your transactions were, what your pending bills are, and pay your bills online. There's just so much convenience through all the different channels that we have today. With bill pay, you get to see that on the screen if you're using internet bill pay, which is a tremendous, I think, one of our most valuable services. And I would just encourage people, if they aren't using, it's a great way to track your balances and to track your payments. Even more importantly, track your payments. And you get to see who you're paying every month and how much you're paying them. And it's a very effective tool.
One plus to our current economy is banks, especially ones like Hampden Bank, have seen a dramatic increase in the desire to create savings. a major change from just 2 years ago when most customers were focused on free credit and living paycheck to paycheck.
We have seen a significant increase in the amount of our money market accounts and other types of liquid savings accounts. Not so much certificates of deposits, but the liquid type of savings accounts have increased quite a bit, which I think is due in part to people thinking more of savings. It's most certain that we're going to be facing higher interest rates. In fact, over the last couple of days, interest rates have creeped up a little bit. So we're going to see more and more of that, I think, as time goes on. So it's a window of opportunity that folks should really take advantage of.
To take advantage of all that Hampden Bank has to offer, it's easy. Just go to their website at www.hampdenbank.com and find your local branch. They'll help you get all set with your new accounts, bill pay, whatever you need. Just give them a call.